In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize a section's height in GoDaddy Website Builder. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. After that, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are in the correct website, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor opens, go to the page that contains the section you want to change. Scroll through the page and click directly on that section. This will open the section settings, where you can adjust different design options for that part of your site. Next, look for the layout, design, or style settings. The exact label may vary depending on the type of section you are editing. Open the available settings and check for a section height or height option. If that option appears, select it and choose the height you want to use. In some cases, you may see preset size options. In other cases, you may be able to drag a control or use a slider to adjust the section height. As you make the change, review the section inside the editor to see how the new height looks. This helps you confirm that the section spacing looks balanced and that the content still fits well within the area. If the height makes the section too large or too small, continue adjusting it until the layout looks right. After that, click Preview to check how the resized section will appear on your website. Take a moment to view it carefully and make sure the section displays properly. It is also helpful to confirm that the content inside the section still looks clean and organized after the height change. Once the site is published, visitors will be able to see the resized section. Keep in mind that some GoDaddy Website Builder sections may offer only limited height controls. If you do not see a direct height setting, you may need to adjust the layout, spacing, or content inside the section to create a similar result. The available options can depend on the section design you are using. Follow these same steps anytime you want to update another section on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.